Hey Beat and Bombay, it's Grenade Moya here. Thanks for tuning into today's video. I know y'all got your stimulus check back. And y'all's account is feeling stimulated. Well, if you decided to drop some coin and get your hair done with some box braids, ladies and gentlemen, here are 6 easy styles that you can do with your box braids.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Grenade Moya. Grenade Moya.
Style 1. You're going to need a hair tie for these styles. This is a half up, half down style that I was just rocking. I'll be swiping mine to the side for aesthetics. It's the braids us. Instead of redoing my ponytail, I'm going to pull the braid through my holder. I appreciate you all for tuning in. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday, baby doll. Style 2. That side pony can be moved to the front. You can put the pony behind your ears, or the pony on your face. It really gives it a whole new vibe for real. Braids. Style 3. I'm going to start by twisting my braids to form a bun. I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail. Y'all know how to do a bun. Vibes with my braids on my shoulders. Vibes with my braids behind my shoulders. Style 4. Putting your braids in one direction. I have an extra large stretchy band that I'll stretch twice. Pulling those loose braids back through, I'm going to stretch it around the ponytail one more time. I slay. Full side ponytail, style 5. Separate 2 front braids and put the rest in a ponytail. I have a lot of braids. Let me show you how I bend my braids at the top twice. Yeah, we are down to one more style, y'all. Style 6. It's time to bun up the braids, boo. There you have it. 6 ways to style your box braids.
Thank you for tuning in to another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be doing bomb beauty tips on my social media at Grenade_Mar. We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are. Bye.